radiating on the whole Alfa Romeo range. We are currently reviewing all our existing models to introduce new features and contents in line with the evolution of the brand. We are feeding back Giulia-derived innovations on the 4C, on the Mito, and the Giulietta. And you can see and touch the first concrete outcome on these models displayed on our stand here today. Image consistency is an essential trait of our brand renaissance. The family feeling we are creating based on our signature front grille and mustaches makes all new Alfa Romeos recognizable at first sight. And in addition to this, all products have been updated in the exterior and in the interior and feature various new contents like new infotelematic systems, powertrains, trim levels. But let's come back to the future. We clearly stated that the Giulia Quadrifoglio we presented in Arese and Frankfurt is a unique creation, a unique car, one-of-a-kind car, the firstborn of a new breed of Alfa Romeos. Singular, but not alone. And today, we present you its first brothers. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the new Giulia family members. Giulia, or to be more precise, Giulias, 3 of them right now, empowering emotion. As exhilarating to drive in daily commuting as it is on the Nürburgring Nordschleife. As ready to take your children to school as it is to go around the carousel curve. All Giulias are based on our new rear and all-wheel drive architecture, as all future Alfa Romeos will be. All Giulias adopt identical suspension schemes, semi-virtual front double wishbone, and the 4.5 links patented Alfa Link rear suspension. All Giulias provide you the same lightness, balance, and road holding, and sheer driving pleasure of the Quadrifoglio. Mechanical excellence allows to preserve the true and uncontaminated new Alfa feeling. Drive mode control systems include our DNA drive mode selector, the Alfa active suspension system, and a latest generation Torsen mechanical Q2 limited slip differential with a 4 planetary gear design and carbon fiber friction material. Safety systems feature new exclusive devices. First of all, our integrated brake system, adopted on Giulia in its first ever automotive application. IBS, the abbreviation of integrated brake system, is the future of brake system. It offers the driver not only an extremely accurate pedal feeling with no ABS vibrations, it also guarantees instantaneous response and record performances. Giulia also features our forward collision warning, combined with autonomous emergency brake with pedestrian detection. This innovative system detects moving pedestrians or cyclists and helps avoid collisions by automatically activating the emergency brake, and if necessary, close to the maximum deceleration of 1G. Another innovative device is our adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go function that automatically reduces velocity, if necessary, up until stoppage and returns to the set speed by following the vehicle in front of you. All these come together with lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring with cross-path detection, automatic high beam assistant, rear view cameras with dynamic grid lines and front and rear parking sensors to ensure all drivers maximum driving pleasure in full safety. Vehicle characteristics, and I want to mention some of those are at the top of the category. Giulia provides class-leading aerodynamic efficiency with a drag coefficient below 0.25. Its mass distribution across axles is at the optimum of 50-50. We have best-in-class torsional stiffness, thus allowing an exceptionally smooth ride, even on rough roads, a compact and solid feeling, a very low level of road noise, but moreover, it guarantees these performances to last the entire life of the car. Force lateral accelerations reaches 0.98 G. Fifth, Giulia has the most direct steering system of its class that, combined with a new front suspension, provides outstanding precision and unmatched control and driving pleasure. And last but not least, the wide use of aluminum, high-strength steel, and composite materials guarantees extreme lightness. The 180 horsepower diesel with manual transmission weighs 1,374 kilos only. But what cannot be measured or defined by numbers is the real feel and perception you will experience driving those cars. In any condition, at any speed, driving is natural, accurate, fun, and safe. That's what we mean, driver at the center. Always in control and in direct contact with the road. It is never the car that drives you. You drive it. Because this is an Alfa Romeo. This is what you will experience at the wheel of any Giulia. Although they are all born out of the same stem cells, built on the same architecture, each Giulia version has its distinctive personality. One of the key differentiators are the all-new, all-aluminum engines. At launch, Giulia will offer a 2-liter, 200-horsepower gasoline and a 2.2-liter diesel from 150 up to 180 horsepower. A range that will be empowered up to 280 horsepower for gasoline and up to 210 horsepower for diesel by the end of this year. All those engines are coupled with either an 8-speed automatic or a manual 6-speed transmission. And these powertrains offer all unprecedented balance between performance and efficiency. But now let's go into the car and sit behind the wheel. You feel it immediately, made to measure, that I am at the center. From position to distance, controls and displays, everything is designed to offer ergonomics, information, and control. We simplified the main human-machine interface to 2 rotary switches, one for the Alfa Connect system and one for the Alfa DNA shift mode selector to set up all vehicle dynamic parameters. Technically sophisticated and at the same time intuitive and easy to use. Driver friendliness comes together with top-level quality, safety, content, and comfort. Giulia offers a standard all you expect from a car of this class. An infotainment system equipped with at maximum an 8.8-inch TFT screen, dual-zone climate control, 6-way adjustable seat, leather steering wheel with the engine start button, and further hand-on controls together with the most advanced safety features I mentioned before. Giulia's driver and passenger will also enjoy a hi-fi sound systems in any version, and at the top they will be surrounded by 14 Harman Kardon hi-fi speakers. Our customers love the feel of driving a tailor-made car, perfectly suited